I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I used to say, treat others the way you'd like to be treated. But considering that not all students are treated kindly at home, I realized this was not effective. But what do I say, and how do I teach this lesson about respect? Many of you who have been in different workshops with me or different conversations or even other videos, you've heard me talk about respect a lot. And respect to me is something we really need to define in our schools. What is it going to be in our school? So kids have a solid understanding of that. What do you say and how do you teach that? Always go back to your language of the way you defined respect. So don't make assumptions that treat others the way you'd like to be treated is going to be heard the right way, because you're absolutely right. What if I'm not treated kindly at home? I see nothing wrong with treating other people poorly. And we struggle with that in society. People bring to the table the way they were treated, and that's just fine with them because that's their norm. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time belaboring that with the child, but I am going to say to them very clearly, those words are not kind. It's not respect the way we do it here in school. Remember, how your words feel to other people are different than how they feel to you. And I'm done. I'm done. And that's what I say. I want to teach them cause and effect. I want them to start to hear me in their heads. When you say something, you should be thinking about how is the other person going to hear it. They may not hear it the way you do. They may not receive it the way you do. That's the message you want them to get when it comes to turning the corner around treating people differently than the way you were treated. That makes it feel like it's okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.